As with your smartphone, as long as the system is connected to a cellular or Wi-Fi network, it can notify you of receiving updates. Downloading large updates can only be done via the Wi-Fi network. The availability of an update is notified on the screen at the end of the trip, with an option to install immediately or later. The installation duration varies. It can take several minutes, with a maximum of around 30 minutes. A notification will give an estimate of the duration and a description of the update. Update information is available through the Settings app. In the list, select the Updates tab. With this touch, you have the possibility to change the permission for automatic download of updates via an external Wi-Fi network. When you restart your car, a notification is displayed on the central screen to confirm successful download. If the update has failed or expired, please contact the Peugeot network or a qualified workshop. Finally, the installation must be carried out with the ignition on, without starting the engine. Installation cannot be carried out in the following cases: with the engine running, during an ongoing emergency call, when the battery level is insufficient, when charging for electric vehicles. Thanks to over-the-air technology, your Peugeot is rapidly updated so that you can enjoy its infotainment in all simplicity.